today is a very different kind of vlog. So I am at this property that's really exciting that we are gonna revamp and change. So I'm here with my friend, he's also the landlord of this property, and a client today. And yeah, I'm gonna show some little tips on how we can really spruce this place up on a budget. Very tight budget, isn't it?
On the budget, definitely on the budget.
Yeah. Alright, come inside, show you a little tour. So this is the kitchen. I'll just do a quick whiz around and show you. As it is, it just needs a little bit of love and it can definitely be spruced up because it's functional. The space is actually functional. So you wanted to keep this the same color,
so I wanted to keep this, but if we could just basically refurbish it, maybe put a new, like polish on it. You did give me the idea about changing the handles. You said that that's pretty easy and cost effective.
It is, yeah.
I don't mind that at all. In terms of the sink area, I'll be needing a new tap, so a new style of tap. We're gonna try and refurbish the sink, give it a good clean. We'll put new silicone around here, and the tiles. You did recommend something about the tiles. Can you just explain that again?
Yeah, so we think maybe we could just paint over it. It might be easier.
Yeah. What colour would you think that we should paint?
White.
White.
Yeah. If we do it any other colour, then it will get into the growl and then it won't pop. Yeah. I think white. White is quite standard, really.
Yeah. So yeah, the tiles will get painted. And you also suggested something for the worktops as well.
Yeah, so I was thinking some DC fix over this. We'll try and keep like some kind of theme here. I was thinking like a darker tile. Well, we're gonna go vinyl because that will be a bit cheaper. And then have like DC fix to go on top of this and just wrap it. Probably we'll insert some examples of what I mean. Same here. It's a small kitchen, so.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
and obviously we're going to change the microwave, we're going to change the fridge freezer, we're going to get a newer cooker in here as well, because this one has seen better days. I'm going to paint up all the walls as well, and probably new light fixings as well for the lights too.
Yeah, I would say maybe get the spotlight ones that we have seen on Amazon. It's only about £15. Just because lighting is so important. Just putting that there with fresh white walls, it will just really brighten a place up.
In terms of like curtains or blinds for the kitchen, what would you suggest?
Again, maybe just some white kind of vertical line blinds for here. Just if they want privacy, they can bring it down, lift up, or even Roman blinds. But then, because their material will get dirty quicker and stains and stuff. So and we can get that from the range.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go into the front room. And in here, we've got a good space in here. Again, we have plans to put carpet in, but in terms of just the decor, what would you suggest? I've got this little piece here that I want it to be almost like the centerpiece of the room, so what do you think we could do to that?
So I would say, because when I walked in here, I was thinking, because we're going for like white, something quite light and airy, quite Nordic, Scandinavian, but a very minimal touch of it because of the budget. So maybe like we can paint that black, depends if we can stretch with the budget, maybe put like some false tiling on that bit as well.
Okay.
Yeah, just so it looks like a fireplace. Okay. And then there's going to be a TV up there as well, isn't
there? Yeah, I'm going to put a TV up on the wall.
Yeah. And then we'll just get that, gone out of focus, light shade in there. The carpet, so we're going to have like grey carpet, isn't it?
Yeah,
or quite good, So it's quite a neutral colour anyway, so we'll go with any of it. Just make it standard. So the shelving is there, that will get painted as well. And that's quite a good place to kind of put some decorative items and just make it feel a bit homely. Yeah. New curtains.
Yeah, new curtains up there as well. What colour? What would you suggest for curtains?
Again, maybe a little bit bright, like a neutral colour. Because we've got the grey floor.
It needs to be bright, doesn't it?
Yeah.
A bit more brighter.
Maybe like a cream or beige.
Yeah.
I would also, because that's actually falling off almost.
Yeah.
If possible, maybe we can get them to just raise it up a bit and get longer curtains to make the window look longer than what it is.
Okay.
Yeah, doing that, I think it would really kind of enhance that wall. Yeah.
Something to consider.
Yeah.
Something to consider. Alright, let's go into the bedroom.
I think he's not really on that idea.
Something to consider, right?
It's a polite way, but we'll see. Yeah, these are inbuilt wardrobes.
Yeah, so
again, functional, so we can't
functional,
dismiss it. It just needs a good clean, a little bit of paint, probably some vinyl at the top and the bottom as well.
Yeah.
And then maybe like a
really
pole.
good quality.
Yeah.
Really good quality in terms
it
of
is, yeah.
That's quite.
It's quite a hard wearing.
Yeah.
And I like the traditional look it has to it as well with like
the
paneling of it.
Kind of like sash.
Yeah.
Style.
Again, another fireplace.
Another one.
Can do the same thing, make use of the black paint.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.
That sounds like a good idea.
Have it there.
Obviously we've got you guys probably can't see it properly, but this is a wardrobe that's been moved here because the place has been, painting started today. So this was something that was here from the last tenant. So probably just gonna paint this up and just make it look nice.
Yeah.
And yeah. So in terms of like artwork, in terms of things to just spruce up this room, what would you say? What type of things would you put in?
Yeah, so again, just kind of connect and continue going with the theme. Can just put some abstract art just above the headboard on that wall, just to make the wall have a bit of character, make it look interesting. And then maybe eventually we're gonna have a TV there, isn't it?
Yeah, I was thinking of putting another TV in here as well.
Yeah.
On the wall as well.
Okay. So yeah, we can have that. And then I was thinking a mirror has to come in here at some point. So maybe we can get the adhesive ones on the wall there. Because there's going to be high traffic in here, we don't want anything that's going to break. So having the adhesive ones there will be good. They can use it to dress up and it will reflect more light in this room as well.
Cool.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do the bathroom.
Yeah.
See this bathroom, it's come with this ugly wood paneling that's very dirty and outdated now. So obviously we're on a budget. I don't want to replace it. So I'm thinking of painting the whole kind of wood paneling. So yeah, just really want to know your suggestions in terms of what colours would work and how can I get the best of it looking fresh and clean without spending an arm and a leg.
Yeah, again here they will keep it quite neutral, white or very light cream, just to go over things. And to brighten this room, it is quite small as well.
Yeah, it's small, yeah.
And it doesn't have much light in here, so the lighting and having a lighter shade of colour will definitely do the trick in here. We can even contrast and have a different type of colour on this one because the wood is darker.
Yeah.
And painting over it will be different.
This side will probably, I don't know, we could do something this side. This side is not as bad as this side basically.
Yeah.
I was planning on keeping these taps. I just think they're quite classical.
Yeah, it is quite traditional.
It needs a good clean, good polish to bring it back out, to bring out the the chrome in it, and then probably get like a shower fixture there. Obviously change the toilet seat.
Yeah, that's a must.
Change this tap.
Yeah.
Silicone the edges. Get a new shelf. Put a mirror up. So obviously, yeah, it's down to you to kind of if we can get some stylish and good looks going on there.
Yeah. Yeah, I think just a little touch, even painting the radiators and stuff like that, and even down there, just all it needs is a good clean and a repaint, and it will look fresh again. It literally would. But keeping the flooring.
The flooring is quite good again.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Clean. Even this type of flooring is paintable as well. So that's another way of saving money. Instead of ripping it up,
100%.
you could actually just give it a good clean and paint it. You can even paint it white or give it another colour, or it should be alright.
Yeah, I think it will.
I've got this lampshade up here as well. Any ideas for that? Obviously I would like to change it. What do you think?
So Before I switch onto this, so I was thinking this could be painted black.
Okay.
And then along with that, we can probably get like a lampshade that is black,
like
or
a dark colour.
Yeah, just to kind of add again character, and you know, as you walk in, it will be quite like a statement point as well.
Oh, cool.
But yeah. And then lastly, sorry, I do love mirrors, because mirrors really do like bring light, reflect more space and everything. So I was thinking if we can get the adhesive, some of that over here as well as we walk up.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Alright, yep. We'll do that. So this is going to be interesting.
Yeah.
to see the finished product with your ideas and with your input.
Oh, pressure.
With your designer hat. So,
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is definitely going to be a challenge, but it will show people how you can actually spruce something like this if you are looking in an investment, just to look beyond what it looks, and definitely make it look homely.
What I love about projects like this is because anybody with normal eyes walks in, they'll be like, it's a dump, you know. But I see a lot of potential in this place, and you're gonna see yourself once it's done. You're gonna be like, wow. And it's inexpensive. It's, you know, done on a budget, but done still to style, still to a very good standard for whoever's going to be, you know, moving in or staying in the property. So that's the aim, and hopefully with your help we'll get it done.
Yeah. All right, so I'll come back again and we'll do an update.
Yeah, see you soon.
Yeah.